Hey, I'm Ferris. Today we're going to talk about ADR and what it is. We got a perfect place to do it then at an amusement park, Disneyland, where it's nice and loud in the background and the audio can be messed up at times. You can use ADR in places where volume is low or can be extremely quiet, such as a theater, such as this, or there's copyright music in the background, which a place like Disneyland, there's copyright music everywhere. And I get copyrighted all the time in my videos at this place. For instance, I'm on Main Street, USA, and it's really loud out here. A lot of copyright music, and I don't have an external microphone. So the sound's probably going to be pretty bad. So using ADR, I can fix my audio in post. You can use ADR in a place like this where I can't even hear myself talk to the camera. It is so loud that I'll probably have a hard time replacing the audio or even knowing what I'm saying when I do this. It's insane. Here's another example of an impossible place to record audio. Space Mountain.
So for reference, this is what it sounds like with the camera audio.
This is what it sounds like with ADR. So we're back home from the park, and using ADR in film work when you have a script is probably a lot easier to do than if you're out and about in the field as a vlogger trying to vlog, since you're kind of shooting from the hip unless you have a script. I could see where it could be helpful to replace small segments of video that you're shooting, but when you're trying to do a whole thing, it's not that easy. Shot this entire video on my iPhone using the internal microphone, and you can see what a difference it makes. Even that little clip from Inside Space Mountain where I use the on-phone audio, you can tell a huge difference. So ADR, it's a good thing, and it can be kind of a bad thing. Great for films, but probably terrible for vlogging. Good night.